So guys, to create a PayPal account, you need to open any browser on your mobile and type PayPal UAE here. Open the website that appears at the very top, and then click on Sign up for free. Now, it will ask you whether you want to create a personal account or a business account. You should choose the business account and then click on Continue. Here, you need to click on I'm not a robot, and then enter the email address you want to use for your PayPal account. Keep in mind that the email address you enter here must be logged in on your mobile because we will use that email to verify your PayPal account. After entering the email address, click on Continue. Now, you need to create your password. What should the password look like? Read the instructions they have written below once. They state that the password must be at least 8 characters long. It should contain some numbers and some English letters. And it must include a special character like a hashtag, an @ or a $sign. As soon as your password includes all these things, the 3 checkmarks below will turn green, and then you need to click on Continue. Now, enter your first name and last name as they appear on your CNIC, and then enter your business name below. You can write any name you like here. Now, click on the country code, select UAE from the list, and enter a UAE phone number here. Don't say that you don't have a UAE SIM card or that you don't know anyone in the UAE. You don't need to worry, just enter any UAE mobile number here. This mobile number is not verified, nor will an OTP be sent to it. We have to verify our PayPal account via email. Just enter any Dubai mobile number here, and after the account is created, we can easily change this number. After that, you need to enter your complete address here. If you have 2 addresses on your CNIC, enter one address in line 1 and the second address in line 2. Then, enter your city name and select your province or state. Keep the currency as US dollars. Check the terms and conditions box, and then click on Agree and Continue. Now, provide your business details. Click on Business Type, select any type from the list, and then enter your business name below. I have entered Computer Software Store here. The website option below is optional. You can leave it blank. After that, click on Continue. Now, enter your date of birth exactly as it appears on your CNIC. Then, click on Nationality. Here, you can certainly select Pakistan. Click on Identity Document, select CNIC, and then click on Submit. So guys, you can see that our PayPal account has been created. And now you can use this account properly. You can deposit payments into it or carry out any transactions. And if there is anything you don't understand, you can ask in the comment box. And if you found this video helpful, then please like the video and do leave a lovely comment.